Hello everyone, this is Alice from Richard. I'm gonna to introduce our newly launched alarm clock video and also show you how to set up time and alarm time. Before we get started, I would like to inform you there is a README card inside the box. If you have any problem with the clock, please email us. We will offer you the best solution as soon as possible. Let's get it plugged in first. Now we suppose the time is afternoon 18:30. So we get time setting now. Low price time set button. Low price. And release until the hour digit is flashing. Then we use, you see, forward adjustment and backward adjustment. So we're gonna to make it 6. Now it's 6. Short press again. Hour digits first. We forward. You can quickly to adjust. Low press it quickly to adjust. Make it 30. Okay. Press it again to exit the time setting mode. Now our time is set now. PM indicator appear here. It is 12-hour mode. If you want to switch to 24-hour mode, short press time set button. It is now 24-hour mode. PM indicator display. If you want to switch back it to 12-hour mode, short press time set button. We get 12-hour mode now. Next, I'm going to show you how to set alarm time. We can set the alarm time at 6:40. There are 2 alarms. We set alarm 1. Low press, hour digit flashing. We can use forward button. See? Also backward. Press button again. Minute flashing. Okay. Press again. Here comes the ringtone. Choose. Now is buzzer, means you can also choose radio to wake you up. First, I show you to choose buzzer. Press again to confirm. Now we can set alarm volume. See, if you are heavy sleeper, you can make it very long volume. If you are a little bit light sleeper, decrease it to your comfortable volume. Now we press it again. Alarm 1, alarm clock is set now. Press snooze. It will go off again after 9 minutes. If you want to choose radio to wake you up, press here. The radio to wake you up will be the last radio you listened. radio alarm goes off. Now press to stop. If you want to turn off or stop the alarm, now press any of these 8 buttons to stop the alarm. Let's see. Now press. It stopped, but the LED still show up, so it will go off again on the next day. Now I'm gonna to turn off alarm 1 because the alarm 1 LED indicator appear here. Alarm 1. Short press once. LED display. If you want to turn on again, the same.